Welcome to your 4-minute daily tarot. This is going to be for Thursday, February 28th. We're at the last day of February. Some very transitional cards came out today. We got the Strength card and the Fool card, and I want to talk about those to begin. The Strength card, especially paired with the Fool card, is really indicating that you are getting ready for a new adventure of some sort, a new cycle in your life, a new pattern. It is one that requires you to have a little strength, a little courage. The infinity sign on the top of her head is one that talks about your journey through life. It talks about karma. And like I said, I'm feeling like a cycle is about to end and you're about to embark on a whole new adventure. Now, it may seem scary, and I don't want to say that to scare anybody. It may seem scary, but that's just because it's different and it's getting you where you want to be. So you want to remind yourself of how strong you are. And this is a gentle strength. This isn't a brute force strength. This is a very going with the flow kind of strength. But knowing that you might have to push through some mental obstacles and barriers, maybe some physical challenges to even get there. But keep this in mind. Keep this. I'm immediately being drawn to the white rose. Sorry, I can't talk right now. I'm being drawn to the white rose. He is looking forward and he's holding this rose. This is pure innocence. Keep this energy, this innocence of like what can be next in mind. Know that you're moving on to something better, something brighter, and use that to keep you strong and centered. Now, the last couple cards we got are 2 Pentacle cards talking about physical manifestation. So whatever you're embarking on, whatever you're getting ready to embark on, is absolutely going to lead to physical manifestations. Now, the first card is the 7 of Pentacles, and then we got the 6 of Pentacles. The 7 of Pentacles is talking about putting in some hard work, maybe not knowing if everything's going to pan out. And then the 6 of Pentacles is actually talking about keeping balanced and giving to others. So what I'm really feeling like with this card is you're being encouraged to focus on what you are giving to the world. And having, again, I'm just being drawn to this Fool, like having this optimistic mindset. Having a mindset of like, you know what? I think that card's meant to stay face down. You know that the work you're putting in now is planting the seeds. It's going to pan out. And instead of focusing on the what, when, where, and how, know that you are strong. Know that you have the courage, the gumption, the skills to handle anything. And focus on what you're giving to others. Focus on what you're giving to this world rather than your own gain at this moment, because your manifestations will come. Now, the Oracle card we pulled for today was walking away in reverse. Walking away when it comes in reverse talks to feeling stuck in old patterns. So your fear might want to keep you stuck even though you're not happy. This card is telling you it's time to walk away from something. You're entering a new phase, one where you're not feeling stagnant, one that you're not doing the same thing, and embrace that. It's going to be a shift, it's going to be different, but it's going to be beautiful. So much love and light.